Welcome to Dynamics Ignite from Technology Management. In this video we will see how in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013 you can use account schedules to create financial reports in a flexible way without the need for development. You can use account schedules to arrange accounts that are listed in the chart of accounts in ways that provide information about those accounts. Users can set up various layouts to define information that they want to extract from the chart of accounts. In concept, account schedules consist of two elements, a definition of rows and a definition of columns. The two are combined when running a schedule to provide data that can be viewed on screen, printed or exported to Excel. In this demonstration we will use one of the built-in account schedules. There are various built-in account schedules. I'm going to use one called Balance Sheet to demonstrate the basic functionality. I will select Balance Sheet and edit the account schedule. Here we can see the definition of the row element of the account schedule. Row 10 highlighted does not have a formula, so it will just be used as a title or description row in the report. The same is true for the next two rows. Row 30 has been given the description of land and buildings, and it has been set to total the GL accounts in the range 1110 to 1130 as indicated in the totaling column. The row type column is set to net change. This means that when we run the report, it will show the difference between the report period start date and the report period end date for the GL accounts selected on the row. Other options for this column are Balance at Date, which will show the GL account balances at the report period end date, and also Beginning Balance, which will show the GL account balances at the report period start date. The account type column is set to net amount. This means that the values included are for both credit and debit entries. Other options for this column are debit amount, which will include debit entries only, and credit amount, which will include credit entries only. Row 180 is now highlighted. It is used to calculate the formula based on other rows in the schedule. In this case, the formula used is 30 pipe, 80 pipe, 130. The pipe symbol is used as an addition, however the plus sign could be used as well. So in our row, the formula will be interpreted in NAV as add the values in rows 30, 80 and 130. We will now run the account schedule and look at the results by pressing the Overview button. We now have the results of running the report on screen. You will see that the rows that were defined in the balance sheet account schedule are displayed in the first two columns, and the remaining columns are taken from the column layout called Default. Column layouts are defined in the same way as we saw earlier for the row layouts, and there are some built-in column layouts to get you up and running quickly. I will choose the layout called Balance Last Year. This column layout has columns for Balance This Year, Balance Last Year, Variance and Percentage Variance. So by selecting different account schedules and column layouts, a wide range of reports can easily be created. Our report is displaying results for the month period of the 1st to the 12th, 14th to the 31st to the 12th, 14th. However, we could choose other periods such as day or quarter. We can also change the results to show values for other periods by pressing on the previous and next period buttons. Note that the values in the report together with the date filter change as I press these buttons. Often the data is required in Excel format to allow further analysis. This can easily be achieved by pressing on the Export to Excel button. When we export the report to Excel, we have the option to either create a new workbook or to update an existing workbook, for example, a monthly management report workbook. I will demonstrate the creation of a new workbook and show the results. Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013 exports the data to Excel and provides some information about the filters that were used to calculate the values, together with the currency. In summary, account schedules in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013 are a versatile and powerful tool that allow users to report financial data based on built-in reports or easily created customized reports.